That's this afternoon.
Yep, hi there.
Hi there. Where's Marco?
Marco is on leave in Rome. Familia business, I guess. I'm Jack. Nice to meet you, lady.
Oh, hi. I'm Lucy. Well, I would need to collect some facts, please, on our office space.
For the upcoming board meeting. Something like, we have 1,275 desks in our building.
Yes. And how many people work here?
Well, I would say only half of the people here really work. Just kidding. You mean the desk occupancy rate? It's exactly 65.3%.
So much unused space. Are you sure about that?
Check this out. Marco simply stuck wireless and batteryless sensors on each chair or desk to get the data. It's so easy. I'll send you the stats in a minute.
Great, thanks. Jack.
There's always potential to optimize, but you can't take the milk back from the coffee.
Jack, get out of here.